Hi everybody, I'm Matt Light and we are here at Normandy Farm Campgrounds in Foxborough, Massachusetts. And I've got a few tips for you when it comes to checking in. Come on in. All right, so we finally made it to the registration, and this is an important part. We're here at Normandy Farms. We have Marcia is going to give us a few tips. Thanks, Marcia.
Oh, welcome to Normandy Farms. We're so glad that you're here today.
Well, listen, if you've never checked in, one of the things that I like to consider is when you make the reservation, talk to them a little bit about the things that would maybe make the process a little bit simpler. They're here to help. They want to make sure that you guys can get in and get out. You've had a long road trip, so as efficient as you can be, ask them questions on the very front end. The other thing that I like to do is, as I get close to the location, give them a call. Maybe you've had a lot of people that are checking in all at one time. Maybe you have people that are leaving and it's pretty congested. You may be able to stop off and do some other things and avoid all of that chaos for a little while. So don't be afraid to give them a call as you're approaching the location. But Marcia, are there any other things that we should consider when it comes to registration?
Yeah, you want to take a picture of the license plate on your phone and bring that in so that we can record it into the computer. Also, get here before dark so that you're not disturbing your neighbors and that you can set up easily. Ask for an escort. We're happy to give you an escort out to your campsite so that you know where you're going. And don't forget about the firewood and ice and the supplies here at the store so that you don't have to make a special trip back.
All right, so those are expert tips. Take a picture of that license plate so that they can get it. You don't have to run back out there. Get your firewood while you're here. Maybe even give them a call ahead of time. And these are all things that'll help make the check-in process a lot easier. Thanks a lot, Marcia.
Thank
and
you.
Let's get to camping.